We're going, Kevin?
Tahiti.
All right, who's driving?
I am.
No way. All right, let's hit it.
Get your boat license first.
How fast you want to go?
Really fast.
All right.
Kevin! Hey, Kai. Kyle.
Hello.
Look at that Kevin, wind in his hair. Showboat. Woo-hoo, Kevin! Yay! You little jammies. Crazy. Keegan, are you driving? Look at that. Whoa. Keegan's doing donuts. We are going in circles.
Other way too?
Kevin, you're an awesome driver.
Circles. Silly boy. Silly boy. What are we doing going in circles?
We're just going in circles.
Let's go that way? Let's go that way then.
Crazy.
How about we go straight towards that way?
Now we got Kyle driving.